Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka jinga ko blek ka ya kebelatip kum ka Meghalaya State Government Employees Federation Inter Badminton and Table Tennis Tournament arhajar khat khandai kabala pelong da seng Meghalaya State Government Employees Federation nadu ka khalai trik mentau benai rempang arhajar khat khandai kala poino syaga bakut haka khat santrik mentau benai ha kini kilai sngi ki syakri sarkar ki bana kitnat ba pher kila shim menta shit ham ha ki southly ki jing lek kai bakan thop ya ka badminton table tennis karambot bat ka jing lek kai chess haba phai syaga jing lek kai chess ya ka nam la do la job do ba Guildford thank you na ka Public Works Department ha ka jing lek kai karambot single but double la job do ba S sau kemie bat upar lok jong ha ka jing lek kai badminton pan ki nong lek kai ki ba khampau ki dei na ka Meghalaya Secretariat PWD kat ba ka jing khon jong ka officers men's la job de ki nong lek kai jong ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association ya ki khusnam che ki nong job la sam da ka additional chief secretary ke jela kong RV Suchang ringkat bet ki wede ki officer sarkar
and taking the first. Congratulations to the winner S1. And the winners in the officers men's single, officers mixed double, runs up, and the winner. Moving on to the next. The winner and the winner we have. Moving on to 45 minutes. Badminton, we have in the